Welcome. Today we are going to see about the process of installing VS Code and an extension PlatformIO for creating ESP8266 and ESP32 and IoT related projects. The main use of VS Code and PlatformIO rather than Arduino is VS Code and PlatformIO is much faster in compiling very large code than Arduino. Now click on Extensions button and then type PlatformIO. Select PlatformIO IDE and then click on Install. Also install C/C++ extension pack for PlatformIO to use with it. Wait till the PlatformIO extension has been loaded. Now click on the PlatformIO extension button, then click Open. Now PlatformIO extension is being installed successfully in VS Code. Now I tell you the process of project creation. Give the title of your project, then select the board which you are going to use. After that, select Create. In SRC folder, you will be having main.cpp. Open it. This is the place where you are going to type your blinking program code, delete the existing code and type your own code. From platformio.ini file, you can select your baud rate, which is the required settings when you are using a serial monitor. To select it, type monitor speed equal to and set the baud rate. Default baud rate is 9600. Save the ini file by pressing Ctrl S to take effect. You can compile the code using the compile button. And you can upload the code using the upload button. I have not connected any Arduino board in the USB port. Before upload, connect a board and then select upload. Otherwise, it will get failure message. and you can open the serial monitor using the monitor button. Thank you for watching the video.